Those berries are so delicious. Meow, meow, meow. Wow, you're so brave. Show people how comfortable you are around me, eating those delicious berries. Meow. Do you want to move? I need to use the path. Don't you want me to continue walking? Okay. Want to continue eating? That's a different story, right? Okay, let's continue. What you eating now? Something delicious? Okay, dear, I need to continue walking. You need to move. I don't want you to be too friendly. Okay, do you want to move? I need to use the path. Come on. Come on, boy or girl. Are you a girl? Come on, move. Okay, I will let you go by me. Oh, you want to continue eating. You had no shame. Okay, I need to walk. Come on, boy. Move. I mean, girl. Move. You're more hungry than scared. Okay, do you want to walk? Very good. Good girl. Good girl. Keep walking. Okay.